Most organizations don't realize how an unmanaged print environment is harmful. Messy supply orders and piles of invoices from multiple vendors creates confusion. And calling on internal support teams for help when a printer or copier breaks decreases office efficiency. These problems can quickly spiral out of control, slowing down your office by wasting time and money. Managed Print Services cuts the chaos by moving office printers to a support program that helps consolidate, secure, and streamline processes, all under one vendor. This is a custom-tailored approach to match the unique needs of your office. This program allows you to optimize your copying and printing infrastructure and reduce number of devices, streamline supply orders and maintenance, consolidate vendors into one point of contact across your organization, improve workflow and organizational processes, and secure your printer environment and ensure compliance. In 2017, 60% of organizations reported one or more print-related data breaches. Secure and streamline your print environment with a managed print services program. Learn more at Loffler.com.